afternoon. Welcome to Sparkle with Jyoti. Have you ever it ever happened to you, like you're hurry and you're in a hurry, you have to meet an important client or an important work, and it is raining and everything is going not your way, right? That's happening to me today. I'm going to meet an important client, and I thought, why not to vlog this entire time and share with you what exactly do and how do I earn money here in Sweden. So yeah, let's go. I was almost going to miss my bus, but I got it, and now I'm in the bus. I'm going towards the city to meet a client, and that's what actually I wanted to talk to you about in detail, because I'm sure there are people who have a lot of question marks about what exactly I do and what goes on. So let me get down from the bus and then maybe I can explain. Let's go ahead. So guys, I just got on from the bus, and I am already late, so I hate to be late, but unfortunately I had to cook and everything and I got late. So I'm going to walk and talk with you, okay? So basically guys, as you know, here we work on contract basis. So the earlier two jobs where I was working, it was like a 6 months contract. So usually it is 6 months, and if everything works out, if they need you, the contract gets extended or else it gets terminated. So that's the reason and then what happens after finishing your contract, you have to again start searching, and it does take time to look for jobs here. So now I'm in the middle of searching jobs, but as you know, I am like a full-time YouTuber, and I do love creating content. So what I basically do is I help businesses like small entrepreneurs and small businesses to put out content, to create content. So basically I create videos, the website content, the content writing, copywriting, and help businesses to put out kick-ass content on their website to attract customers and to get sales. Yeah, sorry, I'm out of breath. I'm going to run now, and I'm going to talk to you after the meeting, okay? See you. Hey guys, I just finished the meeting and it was a good meeting. So so I was saying earlier that I basically am a digital marketer. So I do create content for a company. So I have few clients here as of now, So I don't have one source of income. I do not believe in one source of income. I try to keep like 3 to 4 sources of income. So like I have my YouTube channel from which I recently started earning, and then I have my digital marketing company. You can say I have not registered as of now, but definitely I'm going to soon, because I do provide bills and I do pay my taxes here. So that is good. And so that is how, because digital marketing is a vast field, so different people have different requirements. So basically like video, some people need video creation, some people need content for the website. So whatever you see on the website, like the text or the fonts, the format, the videos, or the contact page, the home page. So all this has some strategy behind that, and you need to plan it accordingly. It's called basically copywriting. So I do all that, and it is good enough. It pays good, and also I do have a lot of flexibility to work from home. So I just come like very few times to meet the clients and get the requirements, and then I can just stay at home and do my work. It's all online. So that is the beauty of online, and I think online is the future. So if you are have any questions or you need guidance, you can definitely DM me on Jyoti Sparkle. I'll be more than happy to help you, because this is one area I feel which is going to really boom up in the next few years in India as well as globally, I feel. So yeah, so this is what I do, and I've also started recently network marketing. I know like network marketing has a bad name in all in around, in especially in India, but network marketing is not the same which is in India. In these countries, it's very sophisticated, it's very professional, and they have good systems in place. The products are amazing. I'm using a lot of their products recently, the health products which you will see, which you must be seeing on my Facebook page and my other profiles. So they are also good, and it does pay back good. Like you have satisfaction of selling good products, as well as you get health benefits, as well as you earn. So what more you need, right? So yeah, this is how I earn, and I'm financially independent, which gives me so much happiness, because I get to be with my daughter. So there is always a balance, like I get to work, and especially marketing is my has been my field last 15 years. So I really enjoy that, and plus I get to it's like a complete balance, I feel. Now my bus is come, I need to hurry up, and because definitely it's not easy to get full-time job here. So meanwhile you should definitely explore your other side hustles or business options, or just utilize your skills, and just do well. I mean, definitely I believe each and every one of us has some or the other skill, and we can utilize that and earn out of that, right? So yeah guys, that's it for today. I'll talk to you soon. Till then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye, take care.